me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
To this, then continue watching, guys. Today I'll be doing a boho knotless bob, guys. I'll be doing it a little bit different, guys. I will be using only my hair and the boho braids. Normally I will use expression and the boho braids, the human boho braids, by the way, guys. It's human boho braids, or what they call it, human braiding hair. But this time I'll literally just be putting the braiding hair directly on my natural hair instead of extensions. This is something different in terms of how I've installed this look, guys. I have not done boho braids in a long time. You know when I forgot how cute boho braids are? Like, look at this. Oh, so obsessed. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then continue watching, guys. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I would like to thank Ywigs for sponsoring this video with their loose curly human hair in 18 inches. As you can see, I sectioned my hair into 3 sections, then parted 8 rows at the back to start the braids. Onto the braids. I start off by molding the top of my hair with some edge control, and then at the ends of my hair I use a leave-in conditioner, and that's so I can have some moisture in my hair for this hairstyle, especially where I'll only be using my hair for this look and no expression. I start off by braiding my hair. Then with the loose curly hair, there's a straight side. With the straight side, you're going to add the hair upside down into the middle section of my braid and continue braiding. You're going to repeat that method until you get to the ends. So again, with the straight side of the curly hair, the curly bulk hair, you're going to add it upside down on the middle section of your braid and then continue braiding. When you get to the end of the last loose piece, you're going to split the hair in half and then continue braiding your hair at the end. This will leave you with the curl at the end of the hair. Also, I suggest using a bigger piece of the curly hair at the end so the curls are fuller, which I started doing later on in the video. Because you're splitting the hair in half, you still need to try and keep that fullness, so it's better if you do a fuller piece so that when you do split it in half, the ends are still full. I will also be showing you another method later on in the video of how I add the curls at the end. In terms of how many pieces I added per braid, because I was using my natural hair and I have different lengths in my hair, I made sure I added the hair around 2 centimeters apart until I got to the end. So it was however much my hair held per braid, really. I hope that makes sense. But this is the method I used for this look, and I'll show you another method further on into the video. Look how cute and full my hair was looking, and I was only halfway. Like, I'm honestly obsessed. At the front, I parted my hair into 5 rows each side. So altogether, that's 10 rows at the front. So the second method I use when adding the curls at the end, I still add the hair how I was doing it, which is the straight side being adding in the middle. However, instead of me adding it and splitting it in half, I add the hair at the end, right at the end, and then continue braiding. And that made the end so much more fuller. However, guys, the first method that I used, it held longer than the second method. I feel like with the second method, it slipped so much quicker. However, like I said, the second method did make the hairstyle look much more fuller. So it's whatever you guys prefer. It's not like it came out straight away, but I would say that the first method held longer than the second method. This is how full my hair was looking with only 2.5 packs in my hair, guys. Like, it was so nice and full, like, obsessed.
Onto curl defining. I use water spray and some leave-in conditioner for these curls, and it curled so easily. You can see here I use a detangling brush, but guys, I advise you to be careful when doing that, because if you comb it too hard, it will come out. So I advise you to just run your fingers in instead, and because it's loose curls, it's easy anyways. You can define the curls without using a brush. And one thing I loved about doing this on my natural hair is I did not have to dip my hair into any hot water, like, because it's all my hair. I didn't have to use any expression for this, so it wasn't stiff or anything. I definitely will be doing this method again. Onto cutting. I just cut my hair into a bob and to make sure I didn't end up cutting my own hair when doing this look. And that's it, guys. This is how I achieved this look. Honestly, guys, obsessed. As I said, I forgot how cute boho braids are. It just takes 10 years to do, but other than that, love it.
This is the final look. Oh, guys, you know, yeah, it's so crazy. Like, this is how I started. I started doing YouTube, doing boho braids. All I used to do was boho braids. This is when boho braids was like new into the scene. And oh gosh, I forgot how cute boho braids are, but I've been obsessed. I love the hair, I love everything, I love the fullness, I think back then, was it even human hair that I was using? I probably was, I can't remember now, but this was definitely my first time using it on my actual hair. I actually am not mad at that, like, at all. I'll definitely do that again. But comment down below what you think of this look, guys.